6 Alarming symptoms of low potassium levels in the body. Potassium is a mineral essential for the proper functioning of your overall body. This means that low levels of potassium can have a serious influence on your bodily functions and affect your overall health. This mineral is very important for the proper functions of the muscles, including the heart. 98% of the potassium resides in the cell, meaning that any small changes in its level will have serious effects on the nerves, muscles, and heart. Symptoms of low potassium levels in the body. 1. Constipation. Potassium deficiency can have an influence on many bodily functions including the digestion process. This can result in abdominal bloating and cramping. However, potassium deficiency is not the only factor that contributes to bloating, so make sure to be careful with the consumption of foods that can cause bloating. 2. Feeling bloated all the time. When your body is deficient in potassium, it struggles to regulate the levels of sodium, which leads to salt-induced bloating. 3. Heart palpitations. As we said before, potassium deficiency can affect the health of your heart. It can cause heart palpitations and irregular heartbeat rhythm. It can also disrupt the rhythmic and coordinated heart contractions controlled by electrical impulses. This means that you should get more potassium so you can protect your heart from heart diseases, strokes, and heart attacks. 4. High blood pressure. Potassium is known for its ability to minimize the effects of sodium. This means that it is extremely important to consume foods rich in potassium so you will be able to control your blood pressure level. 5. General fatigue. The general feeling of fatigue is another sign of potassium deficiency. This will make you feel tired not as a result of overworking or overexertion, but of no explainable reason. In order to be able to function properly, every cell in our body needs potassium, meaning that potassium deficiency can affect the function of the cells and organs. If you experience some general fatigue while performing your normal daily activities, we recommend you to consult your physician in order to find out the root cause. 6. Numbness and tingling. Potassium is an important mineral that can promote the health of the nerves. So, if you are deficient in this mineral, you may experience annoying needles and pin sensation.
Yeah.